Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing Veo 3 for its first recording. Plug in and charge until roughly 50% or higher, then insert a Class 10 micro SD card, 32 GB or larger, to store footage. Mount the camera firmly on the tripod or helmet adapter and tighten the screw so nothing shifts when you move. Once done, press the power button and watch the LED sequence. Make sure the Wi-Fi indicator shows a stable light before continuing, because a steady connection prevents dropped files. You now connect and configure settings inside the Veo app. Choose the camera's SSID and enter the default password on the unit. Once paired, switch to higher quality modes such as 4K/30 for detailed shots or 1080/60 for smooth motion. Use 60 frames per second when action is fast. Make sure stabilization is enabled so footage is usable. Then set auto-record triggers, GPS tagging, and consistent file names to streamline post-processing, because you'll finish by recording, backing up, and finalizing your session. Hit record from the app or the device button and keep an eye on battery and temperature icons. Pause between long takes to avoid overheating. When done, stop, preview clips and transfer files either over Wi-Fi for convenience or by removing the micro SD card for faster copying. If something goes wrong, like no video or connection drops, reboot the camera, reinsert the card, and update firmware via the app. That typically resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.